Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do this cute Apres Dupe set. It's nude with gold leaf, so let's go ahead and get started. So to get started, we're going to just do some simple nail prep. I'm going to take my clippers and just take down any length that I have. Next, we're going to push back the cuticles with a cuticle pusher. And then with the other end of my cuticle pusher, I'm using the scraper to get the rest of the gunk out of my nails. So now I'm going to take my little round bit with my e-file and just go around the cuticle area just to further clean up that area. And also guys, I apologize if I am sounding very silent and quiet because I actually just had my baby. I'm actually 1 week postpartum, so that's why I'm trying to be very quiet because it's already midnight. And I am taking, oh okay, I think the other one was a cuticle clean bit and this is the round bit, and again I am just going over that cuticle area just to make sure to get any gunk out. Basically that is what is going to make your extension last. And now I am taking my sanding band and I am just going to roughen up the nails so the gel adheres, and also to prep my nail for the extension. Okay, so I am going to take these full cover tips from the brand Yimart. They are in the mini stilettos. I wanted to do this set because I wanted to have nails, but I didn't want to have super long nails since I knew I was going to be having a baby. But yeah, so I just sized them to my shape. Well, not my shape, my size. And I am just going to roughen up the inside to make it adhere better to the nail. Especially if you're doing this method, you have to do this step because these are plastic tips. And just making sure that it's etched all over where my natural nail bed is going to be. And I am just going to do that for the rest of the tips. I mean full cover nails. And I am going to take some alcohol and clean up any dust that is inside the nail. Now this is a dupe method because the Apres nail tips or full cover nails are actually made out of soft gel, and these are actually just made out of plastic. So, but I mean, these can last really long. And so you're going to also want to prep your nail with some nail primer and dehydrator, and this is what's going to make your extensions last. So I am going to take the dehydrator and put that all over my nails. If you do not have a dehydrator, you can just wipe your nails with some alcohol. And next I'm going to be taking the primer, and again I'm going to be applying that to all of my fingers. I'm going to do 2 layers of this, so I'm applying it first, letting it dry for a little bit, and then I'm going to go in with another layer of primer. Next I'm going to take the YouCheer base coat and I am going to be applying that to my nails, and I am going to be curing that in the lamp for 60 seconds. Alright guys, so to adhere the nails, I'm actually going to be using Bling gel that I got from Amazon. It works really well, but if you want, you can also just use the same base coat. I've used that method so many times and it works just the same. I'm going to be using this little lamp that I got from AliExpress, which is a dupe for the XVX curing lamp. It's supposed to make curing your Apres Dupe extensions pretty easy. Basically, it comes with like a little switch, and the gooseneck makes it super easy for you to cure it on yourself. If you guys have ever done this method, it's a little bit tricky doing it on your own than on a client, basically. But I really like this little lamp, so I am just going to be applying that Bling gel on the inside of the nail tip, basically where I etched. And you want to make sure that you get a good amount, that way you don't have any air bubbles. And as you can see, I just turn on the lamp, and you're gonna see me with the nail right now. It's still kind of a little bit of a learning curve, a little bit, but I turn on the lamp so it's ready for me, and I just go ahead and apply the nail, and I just cure that nail, flash cure, for about 10 seconds. And pretty much that is it, and it makes it super easy with this lamp. And like I said, I got it on AliExpress and it was only like $7, but you know, you gotta wait like a month for it to come. And right here on my pointer finger, you guys can see how easy it is to actually just self-cure the extension. So I'm actually using the clicker, and I am putting it in between my knees to click it on, but it makes it super easy to self-cure. Well, cure it on yourself. Or am I using the proper terms? I'm sorry, my brain is kind of still scrambled. I'm a little bit sleep deprived. But you get what I'm saying, right? And yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and apply the rest of the nails. So these are the nails, and after you flash cure them, you have to cure your whole hand in the lamp for at least a minute, because if not, your nails are pretty much gonna pop off. You do the flash cure just to basically put them in place for the meanwhile. And now I'm just going to take my file, and I'm just going to actually turn these stilettos into like an almond shape. Like I said, these are basically going to be like my mommy nails, which kind of still backfired because it's kind of hard for me to breastfeed my son with these nails because I have to hold my boob and I really don't want to poke him. But anyways, since these are already shaped, if you like the stiletto, you can go ahead and keep it. But like I said, I'm just going to file them into a little bit more of an almond shape, so it's not going to be that hard because like I said, these are pretty much already shaped for you. And that's the good thing about these extension, you know, like Apres dupes or like the actual method. That's why I really like it, because the nail is already shaped for you, so it makes it super easy to just do a set compared to like acrylic or polygel, because you actually have to sculpt the nail, and mama does not have time for that. So that's why I love the Apres dupe, or like the actual soft gel extensions, as you guys have seen in any of my previous videos. I think I did the KINNO Couture ones. Those are the ones that I have, and I have a nail haul coming up, and I have some Gel X tips that I got from AliExpress, but that's going to be in my nail haul. So I really am an advocate for the soft gel extension. Alright guys, I'm going to take my e-file with my safety bit. This is a fine grit safety bit, and I'm going to just use that around my cuticle area just to make sure that the press-on nail is flush, or well, the extension is flush to the nail. That way when it starts to grow out, there's not much lifting, or there shouldn't really be any lifting. And like I said, it makes it look a little bit less like a press-on nail if you do this little extra step. Alright, I'm going to take my KINNO Couture buffer and I am just going to go ahead and buff the nails. So after filing, shaping, and buffing the nails, I'm going to take the YouCheer base coat and I'm going to be applying one coat of that to each of my fingers, and then I'm going to go ahead and cure that in my lamp for 60 seconds. Alright guys, time for the actual design. I'm going to take YouCheer gel polish in number 23, which is a really pretty nude. I love nudes. And I'm going to be applying this color to all of my fingers, and I'm going to be applying 2 coats. So you go ahead and do 1 coat, you cure that in your lamp for 60 seconds, and then you go ahead and apply a 2nd coat and cure it again for 60 seconds. So this is going to be a super simple design. Like I said, it's just going to be nude with some gold leaf, and I think it came out so pretty. But yeah guys, I'm gonna just go ahead and let you watch. Alright guys, so I'm going to be taking this gold leaf, well, imitation gold leaf that I got off of Amazon. I don't remember the brand, but again, I will make sure to link everything down below for you guys. And it's a huge tub, as you can see. But anyways, I'm going to just be taking some little tweezers and I'm just going to be applying that to the nail. Now, after you cure your nail, there's usually a little bit of a sticky layer, so that's how the gold leaf is adhering to the nail. And I am just placing them in random spots. I'm not being too particular, and yeah, like I said, it's just a simple gold leaf design. You really don't need to do much. And it just came out really pretty. So yeah, I'm just taking big pieces, little pieces, and I'm just applying them in random spots on my nail. And I'm also taking my finger and really tapping that gold leaf into the sticky layer of the gel polish, just to make sure that it really does stick to it. this is how the nails look after I applied the gold leaf. And you can leave it shiny, you can do a top coat, that would look really pretty, but I am gonna go with a matte top coat because I freaking love this matte top coat from YouCheer. It literally makes your nails look like velvet. So I'm going to be applying a matte top coat to my nails, and I'm going to be curing that in my lamp for 60 seconds. Alright guys, so this is how the nails turned out. Super pretty, very easy to do, and I really like how these nails turned out. And if you guys liked how these nails turned out, then please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Especially if you are new, please subscribe to my channel. I would love for it to grow. Alright guys, so hope you enjoy, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye!